Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the burner grate in a GE range. It's going to be an extremely easy job. It's going to take only a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new burner grate. The burner grate is used for supporting the cookware above the flame. The main reasons for the burner grate to be replaced are if the enamel is chipped off and looks real bad, or if it's simply missing. And now we're facing an extremely difficult task. We need to replace this burner grate. Simply lift it off if it's there and remove it. This is the old burner grate next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Before installing the new grate, I'm going to point a little detail here. This curve goes inside, and that's going to touch the other grate. And now when we're done, you can plug the wrench back in. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.